All right, so what you do, you get your bloody massage gun and you just shove it straight.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Sit still, mate. Sit still. Here we go. And we just pin him down a bit like that. We just work. We work into the tissues until they feel a bit better. Oh, sit still, you bastard. Come on.
Hey, folks, I'm here trackside with my man Aaron K. Galdy. How you going today, mate?
I'm feeling pretty good today, Ninja. Yeah, really good. Very ready to get into it.
It's a big game.
Yeah.
It's a big treatment you're going to do. You're confident?
Yep. Yeah, I had a few good weeks on the track, so I'm ready to get into it, mate. I'm keen. Yeah.
I'll come around here.
I'm pretty good to go as well, Ninja.
Yeah, you good?
Yeah.
How you feeling? How's the body going?
Yeah, just a bit tired after footy training, so I thought I'd get a bit of a tune-up. I thought I'd get both of you to have a crack at it, though. So.
What's the event you got coming up?
Got a footy pre-season camp, so let's get through that.
Oh, yeah. Very important, very important thing, So, we've got to do a double hamstring.
Double hammy, I reckon.
Double
just
hamstring.
A quick flush, get me set.
Yeah.
I'll do sprints tonight, then footy camp over the weekend.
Yeah, bloody oath. Yeah, let's fucking go. Come on.
Go and see what you can do, Ninja.
All right. How are you going over there? You got any progress?
I'm in. I'm hooked in. I'm feeling pretty good.
Oh, he's found a good spot already.
There's a good spot right here, so I might camp on that a little bit and see if I can hit some form and then really springboard my year.
Don't be intimidated by me being next to you.
I'll hold my own, mate.
You're right. You hold your own. I've heard you say that before. No need to get into that right now.
How we going back there, Ninja?
Fucking cracking jokes all over the place.
He's laying off. Bit of argy-bargy.
What are you doing?
Bit of competition.
Oh.
Who is it, Jay?
Who's the alpha? Who's the alpha bloody therapist here?
Who's the alpha?
Ninja's
dog?
doing a palm. And
I reckon this is a new alter ego here.
Oh, there you go.
A bit more rock. I reckon you're a bit of a Sandy Roberts or something like that.
Sandy.
Maybe Neil Curley.
No, Bruce McAvaney.
No.
He's a bit soft, isn't he?
He's a bit feminine, I reckon.
Feminine. I'm not bloody feminine at all.
No, not at all. More of a BT kind of setup.
Yeah, I'd go with that.
Brian Taylor, he's got a bit of confidence about him.
He does, yeah.
Bit of a swagger.
That's it.
Bit of a head wobble.
Roaming ninja.
Bit of a
Roaming Ninja. That could.
Ninja.
You never know where that'd go to.
You've opted for the palm to start with, Ninja?
Yeah, I just didn't have enough room to.
Oh, sorry. I'll go over here. I'll hang on.
Oh!
I don't want you to,
Lose confidence.
your angles. I like them. I don't want you to.
Oh, Ninja, what are you doing? That's
Pulling out
sore.
your hairs, mate.
Oh.
Just remembering what you did to me last week.
What? Flash my ball back.
Not that.
That was an accident, I swear. I didn't mean that.
Oh, that is gold. Let's talk about that. Right? If you haven't seen it, we'll pin the card here. Jason's ball comes out.
It's blurred out though, you can't see it.
It was innocent, wasn't it? He was just trying to.
I was trying to hold it out.
If you go back and watch the replay, my favourite is Leo behind the camera. You can just hear him going.
I was trying to hold it out of the way so Ninja didn't singe it with the
He's worried about
boxer.
Worried about himself getting burnt, but bloody, I think he made it worse. He made it worse. He's just trying to lift the undies up so that the moxer wouldn't burn him, and the old ball popped out. To my surprise.
He said hello, didn't he?
Yeah.
You kept it pretty straight though, did you? Just like,
I kept it straight back, and everybody else hopped on it. And
my favourite was when you went down to the toe and you go, I'd probably be better off to get away from the ball bag.
Get away as far as possible, I thought.
You
can't get in any trouble down here.
Oh, Ninja, what are you doing to me?
What's going on, mate? You're getting a bit soft.
I'm trying to survive.
Why are you moving my leg when you're worried about Ninja's leg?
Because it's reflex to get one out of the way.
Get one out of the way.
Darth's having a pizza over there. Look at him. Enjoying himself.
Avocado.
No, I got a truck though.
Have a go, Darth.
Oh. Ninja's more like ITB.
Ninja's more ITB.
Yeah. Oh.
What do you mean?
Who's holding me down,
you're going
Leo?
a bit more reductor. I'm going a bit more bicep fem.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's all right. They're both all right now.
Yeah. So you're gonna have a go tonight at sprints, Jace, or you're just gonna trundle through?
Well,
You're making my videos look a bit shit at the moment, Jace. I'm trying to trying to show a bit of speed going past the camera, and you're trundling past.
mate, I'm still moving quicker than you though. So. Good to know my trundle's still quicker than
It's
you.
funny because it's true.
Oh,
Simpsons lines. The king of Simpsons lines is Jace.
I reckon you've got me covered though, didn't you? Oh,
It's funny because it's true.
oh.
Anybody remember that one? That line from Homer?
It's funny because it's true. What's that off? What?
I don't know. What episode was that, Jace?
Nah, can't think.
Don't think. Do you know the line though?
I know the line. I can just hear him saying it. Picture him.
Yeah, I'd like to know the context.
We've had a few Simpsons cards lately, haven't we?
Yeah. How's that line in there, Jace?
That's not too bad.
That's all right.
Yeah,
So it's
Aaron's
good
has probably got a little bit more. Aaron's feels a bit sharper.
So you're more the outside on this one.
Yeah, I'm probably more right down the guts of it.
But that's
You're a bit more
that's where I felt like I needed it through the middle.
right.
Like
here,
I
Jace.
didn't know I was sore outside lateral, but yeah, that's where I was feeling tight.
Nothing like getting an absolute hammy gouge before sprints, isn't it? And it's probably not the best practice,
Yeah.
but well, for the video, for all the viewers out there, you get to indulge.
Yeah.
Oh,
I got some work done on my hamstring on Wednesday, so 2 days ago. So it's a
You
bit
reckon
smarter
you're gonna
this
be-
week.
Yeah, very good. Very
Yeah.
good.
well, maybe I'll
Deep
just
work.
hold back a little bit and avoid the camera this week. And
Yeah.
No, can't do
Get
that.
you holding camera, Jace.
oh.
Over there.
Oh,
I went over
Longest
into the
muscle
car.
stroke in the world.
You got the longest legs.
me? Not really.
Aaron.
Oh, I was going to say.
They don't need ninja. We've got to get into these.
No.
Yeah,
Someone.
I'm gonna clip them off. on camera
Tash told me not to shave.
Why?
Nah.
I'll hold it if you want. Ninja, have a go,
one day.
brother.
Yeah, he's holding in front of the camera.
I'll interview you, mate. How's your week been? What have you been up to, bro?
Oh, I've had a good week.
Yeah, what have you been up to?
Many fixes. I've
Yes.
been counselling people through many a trauma,
Oh.
on just both physical, emotional, and mental, spiritual levels. You know,
Oh.
like just changing lives. It's been a good week.
Very good, Ninja. Very good. Very good. Wouldn't expect anything less from you.
Pumping up me tyres.
yes.
Not lacking
Just
confidence
leaving with the
in
biggest self-inflated.
Yeah, just
I heard you played some solo basketball on Wednesday, mate.
Solo?
Yeah, I went and did a bit of soul searching on the court. Yeah, just practicing my
Jump shots or hook shots? What are you
No,
doing?
yeah.
Layups?
Are you pulling the shoes back on, Ninja?
No, I've perished the thought. With
Oh,
the shoes,
what?
bro?
Well,
I'm
you'd
gonna
have
be a
to if you're
barefoot
playing. Oh,
I'm gonna tape the tongue onto the top of the basketball
fuck,
hoops.
Aaron, what are you doing? Oh,
Yeah, basketball by yourself. It's one thing you can do solo. A shot.
oh. What else can you do, solo, Ninja?
Many things.
Sprints. Do you do sprints solo?
Tugging yourself off?
We weren't going there, Aaron, but that's all right.
Cut your fucking throat.
You'd better tell that joke.
Have we got no time? We haven't got no time.
That one takes a while.
If John Wall comes out, Ninja,
Yeah, I'll tell him the joke.
Oh, yeah, that'll be
Round the dinner
that'll
table.
be his initiation, won't it?
For my birthday, I'll tell the joke. What do you reckon?
Oh.
Good enough?
That can be your speech for your birthday, maybe. What do you
Oh.
reckon? I've got a joke for you all.
Have you got a spare 20 minutes?
Who had a daughter?
Oh, Ninja, what are you doing?
You're a bit soft today, Jace, or is his hamstring a bit
No,
How
I'm
you doing?
probably just a bit soft.
soft?
Sore.
What about in there, Jace? You right in there?
Yours is good, Aaron. Yours feels nice. It's that nice pain that Hayden says.
Oh,
Dennis.
oh, somebody's coming. Who is it? Yeah, oh, I heard you need a bit of help. Need a bit of help.
Oh, who is it?
Who is it?
Dennis.
Here we go.
What are you trying to do here? You're fixing some bloody hamstring problems.
Jump in.
All right, so what you do, you get your bloody massage gun and you just shove it straight.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Sit still, mate. Sit still. Here we go. We just pin him down a bit like that. We just let him work. We work into the until they feel a bit better. Oh, sit still, you bastard. Come on. That's how Dennis fixes hamstrings. Stay tuned, mate. I'll be back for more.
Oh. Thanks, Dennis. Thanks, Dennis.
Thanks, Dennis.
No worries, fellas. I'm back. We'll see.
Who the bloody hell was that?
Dennis.
Where'd he come from?
Must
New
have run from
practitioner.
Richmond, yeah.
I think he's Darcy's cousin.
Yep.
Ninja's,
I think
Ninja's
it's that-
cousin. Who's your cousin? When's he coming in, Jace?
Oh, I don't know.
I reckon Jeremy, and he's
Jeremy.
he's nude, no hair.
The porpoise.
I reckon we need to have a collaboration with all 4 alter egos.
Yeah, I reckon that'll be really good.
What's Aaron's? I reckon Aaron's
He's
is going to
Ken.
be...
I'm Ken.
He's Ken.
Ah.
Barbie and Ken.
Oh, Dust, did you see Dennis?
Dennis.
Yeah,
He just left.
That bloody bloke, he keeps
Yeah.
following us, doesn't he?
I know.
Sick and tired of him.
He
He
came
doesn't
and
know.
brought
a
his
thing.
bloody gun on my hammy.
Oh, that gun is useless. Nothing I use that.
Anyway.
Anywho.
We're gonna wrap this up.
All right.
Special dipper.
Dipper.
Oh, he's got
I was trying to do the Brett Kirk. We're gathered around here today to collective minds.
I might
Anyway.
have to wrap her up because I've got to actually treat someone. So
Yeah, Jason's got to actually do some work around here, so we better go to the next video. Wrap it up. Yep. Have a good weekend, everybody.
Yeah, we'll see you next game.
Namaste, motherfuckers.
Done. Get it done.